So, good day everyone. Welcome to our TESDA Assessment Center. I am John Leo A. Vargas, your accredited competency assessor for today's qualification, Trainers Methodology Level 1. Here is my ID. And first and foremost, may I have your admission slip? So before we start, let us take your attendance. First is Mary Angel Tablante. Please sign this. Thank you. Please sit down. Next is Mr. Prince Dieter Rojas. Please sign this. Thank you. So, thank you. Please proceed to your assessment area. So before we start, allow me to walk you through our assessment process. As shown in our first slide, today's qualification is Trainers Methodology number Level 1. First, we have basic competency. Participate in workplace communication, work in a team environment, practice career professionalism, and practice occupational health and safety procedure. Next is common competencies. Apply quality standards, perform computer preparations. And lastly is core competency. Conduct competency assessment, maintain training facilities, and utilize electronic media in facilitating training. So, next is our units of competency. These are the units of competency that will be covered during your assessment. The tasks you will perform are based on these standards. And next is conduct competency. So here is our floor plan. I will now give you your assessment agreement. And please read each item carefully. Here is your assessment agreement. If everything is clear, kindly sign in the bottom. Thank you. I will now explain what will happen during today's assessment. First is you will receive a test package containing your task. Second is I read the general instruction and you will begin working. Next is I will observe you using the observation checklist. I cannot coach you at any point. You may ask me to repeat instructions, but not answers. Do you have any questions before we begin?
None, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, we may now begin to our working area. Now, may I call on to our candidate number 1, Prince Dieter Rojas. Here is your test package. Inside our instruction and requirements task, hand to test package. You will perform the assigned task following the performance criteria. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Are you done, Mr. Prince Rojas?
Yes, sir.
I will now ask a few clarification and question based on your work. First is, how did you decide on the steps and how you followed in performing your task?
First, siyempre, I asked a question in the assessment.
And that's a wonderful answer. Next question is, if you encounter an unexpected issue during the task, what would be your first action?
For me, is to clarify the assessment and then try to do it.
Thank you, and you may now return to your seat. Now, may I call on to our next candidate? Here is your test package. Inside are the instruction and required tasks on hand. You will perform the assigned task following the performance criteria Do you have any clarification and questions? Okay, your time starts now. Time is up. Are you done? Okay. I will now ask you a few clarification questions based on your work. Question 1 is, how did you decide on the step you followed in performing your task? Okay. Next, if you encountered an unexpected issue during the task, what would be your first action? Now you may return to your seat. So now I will review your outputs and based on my observation and evaluate your performance while following the rules of evidence. May I call on the candidate number 1? Okay, thank you for listening. I will now provide feedback on your performance. Your strength is that you demonstrated a good understanding of the task and followed the required procedure. Your areas of improvement and is you may improve by giving more structured explanation during questioning. Based on the evidence presented, your overall result is competent. Here is your certificate. Please sign your certificate and your cards. I will now consolidate the documents and your attendance sheet, CAS and observation checklist. This will be attached to your RWACS and submitted to the Assessment Center Management. Now you may go now. Thank you. May I call on to our next candidate? I will now tell you your strengths and areas of improvement. Your strengths is that you demonstrated a good understanding of the task and follow the required procedure. Your areas of improvement is you may improve by giving more structured explanation during questioning. Based on the evidence that is presented here, your overall result is competent. Here is your certificate. Please sign your certificate and your cards. Now, I have got the CAS and your certificate is here. I will now consolidate the documents, attendance sheet, and CAS observation checklist, CARS and rating sheet. These will be attached to your RWACS and submitted to the Assessment Center Management. This concludes your assessment. Thank you for your participation and you may now exit the assessment area.